looking chill. Let's weld it. You know I got a hood, right? Yeah. As you can see, we weld on the front, pinched on the back too. Tacking it along the back as we go. We clamp the front down first to get the fit right.
The only thing like whenever they'll come in with their seams with their glue for the window over this, but we just want to get this corner right, like whenever it goes to mudding in the sand and shit.
Motherfucker look good though. And that was pretty quick, shit.